So, good morning, students. Today, I am discussed in regarding to the concept of human resource management. So, today's concept is human resource management. In human resource management, there are two topics is there. One is human resources and another one is management. So human resource management is nothing but it's a set of productive activities within an organization that focuses on transforming human beings into useful resources. That activities include searching right candidate, identifying in their knowledge, skills and attitudes towards a specific job, and fixing and practicing fair compensation policy to ensure the safety and comfort at workplace, and observing the performance of employee motivation, effective communication and administration, and training for increasing productivity and efficiency. It's nothing but human resources, that is the overall the managing functions, that is from planning to coordination it can be done. Here there is a human beings converted into useful resources is very important. That is, under this the specific job in regarding to for searching a right candidate for right no identifying their knowledge towards fair and a fair compensation policy. These are all very important concept in human resources person. So this is the first unit we have to be regarding to study. So here in this regarding to we go to the display capture. Under this we have to go to the images. Under this images to be create a new image, then okay, should be given browser. You have to be give the documents. Under this videos capture pictures, this is the you have to be download the imagination regarding to this one. So then how to be given okay. So here to be insert the picture here also. So this is a very important concept, that is in this capture how to be covered the images and PowerPoint classroom in regarding to my subject. Human resources is nothing but it's very essential to the commerce students. Thank you to one and all.